Okay, our chronic carpal tunnel syndrome pain in the right wrist, hand stiffness, left knee arthritis pain, and some neuropathy in the feet. So Cataline came in about a year ago, and
July.
yeah, we decided to do some laser stem cell signaling.
Right.
And 1 year later, how's all these body parts doing?
Very, very well. I don't feel pain.
Yeah.
That's the important thing.
And you couldn't bowl. The pain was so bad. Are you back to bowling?
Yes,
All
yes, and I can bend.
Okay.
You know.
So I want you to go to the door.
Okay.
And pretend this is a bowling alley. I want you to show me your bowling form just to
Okay.
prove it's working.
That's
Okay.
heavy.
Yeah.
You may go back. Facing
Go
you
there.
or what?
Go to the
Okay,
door
right
and face her and show me your bowling form.
Okay, I usually do this,
Uh-huh.
and I go 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And no knee pain, no wrist pain.
Oh,
How many percent better does the wrist and feet?
no pain.
Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
100%.
Oh, I guess so.
Well, you put 98%, but I'll take it. So that's what we do. We get people back in the activities they love pain-free,
Yeah.
and we're going to graduate you. And remember I said it's going to take an entire year to rebuild your body,
Okay.
and it's happened. So congratulations.
Well, thank you.
You're
Dr.
another
Yu.
student from the Laser Med Institute, okay?
Yeah, and I read your book, and I said, my goodness, there's something to look forward to. You know?
That's true. All right, that's how we do it, folks.